Hi, we learn mode 10th class statistics కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ మోడ్ అంటే బహుళకం అంటే ఏందో ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకుందాం. మోడ్, వాట్ డు యు నో అబౌట్ మోడ్? బహుళకం అంటే ఏమిటి? Just it is the central tendency related value, like a mean. This is also one tool of the central tendency. So in clearly how to define a mode? A mode is that the value among all the observations which is occurs frequently, that means more than one time. So if it occurs more than one time, and this is called mode. అంటే ఇవ్వబడిన పరిశీలనలో లేదా రాసుల్లో ఎక్కువసార్లు పునరావృతం అయ్యే రాశిని బాహుళకం అంటారు. A mode is that the value among all the observations which occurs most frequently. Now, mode can be found in several ways. According to the given data, if data is ungrouped data, అవర్గీకృత దత్తాంశం, గ్రూప్డ్ డేటా అంటే వర్గీకృత దత్తాంశం. మరి అన్గ్రూప్డ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మరి ఏం చేయాలి మనం? Just write the given data in descending or ascending order, ఆరోహణ లేదా అవరోహణ క్రమంలో రాయాలి. When you write in ascending or descending order, then choose the number or object which occurs frequently, that means more times. Let us take one example. Find mode of 2-3-5-2-5-2-8-3. Here 2 comes 3 times and 3 comes 2 times, 5 comes 2 times, So 2 is mod. Now we write the formula for the grouped data. So grouped data have the table and have class interval and frequencies etc. So in such type we can find the mode as L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. What is meant by L? Just it is lower boundary of the model class. So L is the lower boundary of the model class. Now h, size of the class, f1, frequency of the model class, f0, frequency of the class preceding the model class, frequency of the preceding the model class. Finally f2, what is meant by f2? Just it is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So బాహుళకం అంటే L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. ఇక్కడ L అంటే ఏంది? బాహుళ తరగతి యొక్క దిగువ హద్దు, h అంటే బాహుళ తరగతి పొడవు, f1 బాహుళ తరగతి యొక్క పౌనఃపున్యం, f0 బాహుళ తరగతికి ముందున్న తరగతి యొక్క పౌనఃపున్యం, f2 అంటే బాహుళ తరగతికి తరువాతనున్న తరగతి యొక్క పౌనఃపున్యం. కాబట్టి ఈ మాదిరిగా మనం ఒక వర్గీకృత దత్తాంశానికి బాహుళకం అంటే మోడ్ మనం ఈ ఫార్ములా ద్వారా కనుక్కుంటాం. సో ఈ టెర్మినాలజీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ ఫర్ ఎవర్. whenever in exam they ask, you have to write the expansion of these letters. Write formula, then write like this: what is meant by L, what is meant by H, what is meant by f1, what is meant by f0, what is meant by f2. Now some important points of the mode. What is meant by model class? So in the given table, first find the maximum value of frequency, then the value lies in the model class. So taken that one as the model class of the mode. సో మ్యాక్సిమం అంటే గరిష్ట పౌనఃపున్యం ఉన్న వరుసని మనం మోడల్ క్లాస్ అని చెప్పుకుంటాం. గరిష్ట పౌనఃపున్యం గల తరగతిని బాహుళకపు తరగతి అంటారు. So model class means maximum class frequency exists line. All the objects are in the same times occurs. In such time no mode, and there may be also two modes: bimodal, three modals, trimodal or multimodal. So Let us try the problems relating mode, that is 14.2 exercise. 14.2 exercise. So, age and number of patients given. Table is given. So, age in years, it is taken as class interval. Number of patients taken as frequency. So, this is enough for finding mode, but in this problem we have to find mean and mode. So, that is why yes, table to be written as more columns, class mark, that is xi, mu I, that is xi minus a by h, last one is fi mu I. Now, I fill up the table. So, 5 to 15, how many? 6. Next, 15 to 25, 11 members. Next, 25 to 35. (21 members). Next, 35 to 44. So, it is also 23. Now, next class frequency 14, 45, 50, 14. Next one is 55 to 65. It is given 5. Now, how can you get class mark? Just it is the average of class interval. So, what is the sum of 5 and 15? Just it is 20. 20 by 2, that is 10. Next 15, 25, that is 40, that means 20. 40, half of the 40, 20. Next 60, that is 30. 80, 40, 150, 120, 60. Now, I add all frequencies, let it be 80, that means sigma fi equal to 80. Now, take 40 as A, just it is assumed mean, and in the mu I column, yes, in the A line, put 0, above minus, below positive words, positive numbers. Now, multiply fi mu I, 6 3s are 18, 11 2s are 22, 21 into minus 1s are minus 21, 23 zeros are 0, 14 1s are 14, 5 2s are 10. Now, we add sigma fi mu I. So, what is the sum of negative terms? 40, 50, 60, 61, minus 61, plus 24. Plus 24. So what is the value? 1 minus 4, that means 11 minus 4, 7, 5 minus 2, 3, 37. So the sum of Fi mu I equal to minus 37. Now we find the mode, then after mean. బాహుళకం కనుక్కుంటాం. బాహుళం కనుక్కోవటంలో మనకి చేయాల్సిన మొదటి స్టెప్ ఏంది? గరిష్ట ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, అంటే గరిష్ట పౌనఃపున్యం ఉండేదాన్ని మనం F1గా రాసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ హెచ్ ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? సో జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ టూ సక్సెసివ్ లోయర్ boundaries. Now F1 the highest frequency value, గరిష్ట పౌనఃపున్యం, that is 23. Next F0. Right, now F0. So F0 is the, that is the above value of the F1 value of that F1 is 21, and below value F2, that is 14. F2 equal F2 to 14. Below value of the 23, that is F1. And F1 below value, L is taken 14. At 14 is the F2 model class, that is the highest frequency class, 23. So that is 35. Lower boundary of the lower boundary of model class. Model class F1 is called L model class, and the lower boundary, so L equal to 35. Now simply by substituting these values in formula, we get all the mode. Values are listed out. What is mode formula? Mode equal to, what is the formula for the mode? Already discussed. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is the value? That is 35. L విలువ 35, అది రాసాం. ఫస్ట్ F1 ఎంత ఉంది? 23 మైనస్ F0 ఎంత ఉంది? 21. 2F1, 2 into F1, 223s are. Next F0 21, F2 14. Next height, just it is 10. Now on simplification, 35, 2 10s are 20, 23 minus 21, that is 2 by 46 minus 35. Again on simplification, you get 35 plus 20 by 11. 46 minus 35, it gives 11. Now no common factor for 20 and 11. Let us divide it. భాగిద్దాం. 11 ones are 11, 20 minus 11, that is 9. Put point. So 11 0, 11 8s are 88. So 1.8 is the mean. Now we find mean. Let it be x bar. A plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. Now I substitute the values. What is taken as A? 40, that just it is 40 plus sigma fi minus 37 by sigma fi, that is 80. H means 10. Now just cancel it. 40 plus into minus minus, 0 cancel, minus 37 by 8. So no common factor for 37 and 8. Let us divide it. 37, 8 4s are 32. So 5.0. 8 6 are 48. So that is 4.6. 4.62, that is enough. 40 minus 4.62, that is on subtraction you get 10 minus 2, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 4, 5, 35.38. So 35.38 is the mean and 36.8 is the mode. Nearly they are and according to the problem, what is 36.8? Just it is the maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital. Of the age 36.8, that means 37, 36.8. It is taken as 37. And the mode is 36.8. Next, average of the patients admitted in the hospital is 35.38. So we go to second problem. Table is also given. What is the class interval? Just it is 0 to 20, frequency 10. In this problem, just we find only mode. I write 2 columns, 0 to 20, 10, 20 to 40, 35, 40 to 60, 52, next 60 to 80, 61, 100 to 120, 29. The maximum frequency is 61. It is taken as F1. So that is model class. The lower boundary of the model class is taken as L, that is 60. So below F1, that is F2, that is 38. Above 61, that is F0, that is 52. Now I list out the values: F1 61, F0 52, F2 38, and L is 60, and H equal to 20 minus 0, that is 20. Now I find the mode of the given data. So just it is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now I substitute the values. L means 60, to F1 minus F0 that equal to 52 minus F2 that is 38 into H means 20. So I have substituted all the values in the formula. Now just a simplification. Yes, just a next on simplification. 60 plus 61 minus 52, 9 by 261s are 122 minus 50, 30, 80, 90, 90 into 20. Now 920s are 180. By 32. So get cancellation. Two 90s are, two 16s are, two 45s are, two 8s are. So divide 45 with 8. 8 5s are 40, that is again 8 6s are 48. 8 2s are 5.62. So plus 5.625. So an addition of the 60 plus 5.625, you get 65.625. So that is the mode. So very easy to find the mode. Just we go to third problem. This is related to expenditure and a number of families. We take expenditure as a class interval 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. So after writing all class intervals, I write now the next one is frequency. Class interval frequency. So frequency also given earlier in previous problem also written. Here also only taken these two columns 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16, 7. These are the frequencies. What is the highest value in needs? 40 is the highest? Yes, 40 is the highest value. And what is the sum of frequencies? So sigma Fi equal to 200. Here we have to find a mean also. That's why we elaborate table. Taken extra columns for xi and mu I and Fi mu I. The mid value of the 1000 and 1500 is 12,550. Like this, second mid value equal to 1750, third 2250, fourth 2750, fifth 3250, next 3750, 4200, 45. So in this way we have written mid values, that is xi. Next I write mu I. Now I take A 3250 or 2750, whatever it may be, you may take A as any number in xi. So I taken 325, 3250, 3250. So above numbers all minus, below numbers plus 1, 2, 3, above numbers 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, below number 1, 2, 3. Now just multiply Fi into mu I. 24 4s are now multiply 24 4s are 96, 40 into minus 3 minus 120, 33 minus 2s are minus 66, 28 minus 1s are minus 28, 30 zeros are 0, 22 1s are 22, 16 2s are 32, 7 3s are 21. Now I write a sigma Fi, the sum of Fi mu I. Now what is the value of negative value sum? and positive value on both simplification I get minus 235 minus 235. First I write down the values of formula letters to find mode. Highest value is the F1, highest frequency is called frequency S F1, H equal to difference of two lower boundaries, that is 500, L equal to we taken 1500, F1 equal to 40, F2 F not equal to 24. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F naught by 2 F1 minus F2, F naught minus F2 into H. L equal to 500 F1 minus F naught, 40 minus 24. Again 2 F1 means 2 into 40, F naught 24, F2 33. So on simplification we get 347.826, on adding 1800 47.26, 47.26, that is the mode value. Next we go to mean value. A equal to 3250 and H equal to 500, mean equal to A plus sigma Fi mu I by sigma Fi into H. A is 3250 and sigma I also given, we have find. Now substitute it. Plus sigma Fi minus 235 by sigma Fi, that is 200 into H. H is 500. On simplification you get 3250 minus 587.5, zeros zero cancel. Now we get answer 2662.50. So that is the mean value. Yes, this is about number of students and number of states. Number of students can be taken as a class interval 15 20, 20 25, 25 30, 30 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. and we write now frequencies, and also for the purpose of mean, class mark, and mu I and Fi mu I. Next I write frequencies. Eight, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. Now what is the class mark? Just it is the mid value. So 15, 20, that is 17.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5, 52.5. Now I take 32.5 as A, and above values negative, A value 0 in UI. So below 0 all positive values 1, 2, 3, 4. Now multiply Fi into mu I. 3 3s are 9, 8 2s are 16, 9 1s are 9, 10 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3, 0 2s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 2 4s are 8. What is the value of sigma Fi mu I? Anni add cheyandi. So that is minus 34 plus 11 minus 23. What is the value of sigma Fi? That is 35. Now first I can find mode value, then after mean value. So highest value, what is the highest value in frequency? That is F1. 10 is F1. Above F1, that is F0. Below F1, that is F2. F2 equal to 3. F0 equal to 9. So F1 is the model class. So F1 existing lower value, that is 30, that is L. H equal to 20 minus 15, that is 5. L equal to 30. Now I can substitute all the values in formula. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L value 30 plus F1 minus F10, 10 minus F0, 10 minus 9, 2F1, 2 into 10, minus 9, minus 3 into 5. On substitution, 2 10s are 10 minus 12. So you get minus 2. So that is 5 by 8. Now on adding 30 plus 0.625, 30.625 is the mode value. Now we go to mean value. So A already marked, that is 32.5. Now mean equal to A plus sigma Fi mu I by sigma Fi into H. So A equal to 32.5. Sigma Fi mu I means minus 23 by sigma Fi by 35 into H means 5. So on simplification we get 5 ones are 5 sevens are, on dividing with 7, 23 by 7, on dividing it 32.5 minus 3.28. So on subtracting you get 29.22. So it is the mean value. Mean and mode both are very nearer in their value. Next we go to fifth problem, that is 4,000 class interval, 4,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 6,000, 6,000 to 7,000, 7,000 to 8,000, 8,000 to 9,000, 9,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 11,000. Now we can write a frequency also, which is given in the table. Here only we find a mode, just we write a frequency only, class interval and frequency. Right here frequencies 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1, so highest frequency is called F1, below F2, above F0, and F1 existing class lower bound 4,000 is L. So L equal to 4,000 and H equal to difference of two successive lower bounds, that is 4,000 minus 3,000, that is 1,000. F0 equal to 4, F1 equal to 18, F2 equal to 9. Now I can substitute the values in formula. So L equal to mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So 4,000 plus F1 minus 18 minus 4, by 2 into 18 minus F0 value, 4 minus F2 value, 9 into H value 1000. So on simplification you get 4,000, 18 minus 4, that is a 14 by 36 minus 12, that is 23, 13, 23 So on simplification you get 4680.7. So that is the mode value. Next we go to another and the last problem. So this is about the number of cars and frequency. Given table, see the problem. I can take a class interval as a number of cars and a frequency 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Now I can write frequency also 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. Now I can find the highest value of frequency, that is F1, above value F0 and below value F2. So F1 class, that means model class lower boundary F S 40 equal to L. So L is taken as 40 and H is 10 minus 0, that is 10, and F0 12, F2 11, L equal to 40. L equal to 40, mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute these values, 40 plus F0, F1 minus F0, 20 minus 12 by 2F1, 2 into 11, 2 into 20 minus F0, 12 minus 11 into H, H means 10. Now substituting 12 minus 20 minus 12, that is 8, 8 into 10, 80, 40 minus 23, 40 plus 80 by 17, 40 plus 40 is 5.705. Now adding both, 44.705 is the median mode value. So thus we have completed the 4-point exercise. Please subscribe my channel and we see the next exercise in the next video.